Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Star Citizen error code 41013. The error reads, Create player streaming bubble timeout. Disconnection caused by backend services being unresponsive. Please wait a few minutes before trying again. Report this error to the issue council if the problem persists. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log in and get stuck in an infinite loading screen. According to our research, this is a known issue without a permanent fix for now. However, there are some workarounds you can try while waiting for a patch. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the game and power cycle your device along with the network. Simply shut down your PC and unplug your modem or router. Then wait for a few minutes, and then reconnect everything and restart. After that, launch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if you need to update the game. Simply open the launcher and see if there are any pending updates. If yes, update the game and check for the error again. If the error still continues, then try doing a character repair and make sure you are not using the best server option. Instead, select your preferred server manually. After that, launch the game and check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, then follow this detailed workaround. Simply open Arena Commander and go into Free Flight. While still in Free Flight, go to the link robertspaceindustriescom/en/account/reset and perform a character repair. Then, wait for the admin to kick you out of Free Flight. After that, press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+R in the launcher to restart it. Then, verify the game files. If you installed the game in a custom location, make sure to relink it in the launcher. Then wait for 15 to 30 minutes, then start the game. Then select Persistent Universe and pick any region that is not your own. Please do not join a friend or use Best Server. And check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.